Indus Valley Civilization 3300 BCE to 1500 BCE, one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, known for its advanced drainage systems, trade networks, and undeciphered script. Major cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were well planned with large granaries and great baths. Mahajanapadas 600 BCE, 345 BCE. Independent republics and kingdoms, including Magadha, Kashi, and Kuru, emerged in northern India. These states laid the foundation for governance, with early forms of democracy and monarchy coexisting. Nanda Empire 345 BCE, 322 BCE. The first empire in India to maintain a vast standing army, reportedly over 200,000 soldiers. Known for economic prosperity and centralization, it was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya, Mauryan Empire 322 BCE, 184 BCE. The first pan-Indian empire founded by Chandragupta Maurya, reaching its peak under Ashoka. Ashoka's rule saw the spread of Buddhism and diplomatic relations with Greek and Persian rulers. Shatavahana dynasty 184 BCE 220 CE dominated southern and central India, promoting trade with Rome and Southeast Asia. Played a crucial role in the revival of Vedic culture and Sanskrit literature. Gupta Empire 319 to 550 CE, the golden age of India, flourishing in science, mathematics, concept of zero, literature, and architecture. Kalidasa's works and Aryabhata's astronomical discoveries marked this period. Chalukya Empire 546 CE to 753 CE, 22nd rose in the Deccan region, known for their unique temple architecture including the Virupaksha temple, engaged in constant conflicts with the Pallavas and Rashtrakutas. Harshavardhana Empire 590 CE to 647 CE, united northern India after the fall of the Guptas, known for his patronage of Buddhism and literature. Xuanzang, the Chinese traveler, visited his court and documented Indian culture. Gurjara Pratihara dynasty 649 CE 1036 CE dominated northern India, resisting Arab invasions from the west. Revived Hindu temple architecture influencing later Rajput states. Delhi Sultanate 1206 CE to 1526 CE, a period of Turkic and Afghan rule introducing Indo-Islamic architecture and administration. The empire witnessed major rulers like Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Vijayanagara Empire 1336 CE 1646 CE, a Hindu empire that resisted Islamic invasions, promoting art, literature, and temple construction. Krishna Devaraya led the empire to its peak, fostering economic prosperity. Mughal Empire 1526 CE 1752 CE, established by Babar, the empire saw cultural and artistic achievements under Akbar, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb. Introduced a centralized government, Persian influences, and architectural wonders. British Raj 1849 CE 1947 CE, a period of colonial rule marked by economic exploitation, infrastructure development, and the Indian independence movement, led to the rise of leaders like Gandhi, Nehru, and Subhas Chandra Bose. India 1947 present gained independence on August 15, 1947, emerging as the world's largest democracy. Over the years, India has grown into a global economic and technological power. The Indian flag consists of three colors, namely saffron, white, and green, and Ashoka Chakra at the center. On merging them, the flag looks like this. Saffron, top stripe, stands for courage and sacrifice. White, middle stripe, represents peace and truth. Green, bottom stripe, symbolizes prosperity and fertility. The navy blue Ashoka Chakra at the center has 24 spokes, symbolizing righteousness and continuous progress. Derived from Emperor Ashoka's lion capital, it represents justice, motion, and harmony. So the comment of the video goes to Nanda Kishore and Kalyani Janu. Yes, we have 2 winners this time and there were 10 comments in the last video. Let's just increase the number.